It has like different type of colors in it and pigments. So when you apply that on the lid, it could be purple or green or yellow. So we're gonna mix.
That's so fun.
2 colors.
Oh my gosh, that's so exciting.
That's gonna be messy. So the most important with this kind of eyeshadows, you just like pressing that into the skin.
Okay.
And that's how it gives you so many different colors.
Creates that depth of color.
Uh-huh.
It's cool. And who makes this eyeshadow that we're using?
Actually, I ordered it online, and it's
Okay.
like a couple different companies they create this.
Okay.
So.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing already. Makeup is amazing. Maybe I should wear makeup more. And I'm like outrageous makeup every day. This should just be my everyday style. I just love that color. It's so cool.
It's so pretty. So we're gonna take another brush for a different color. We're gonna marry them together. This kind of eyeshadows, you have to be very careful because they're very kind of dirty.
Okay.
Because that's gonna just fly
off
under your eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. So make sure you're very careful. And they also like when it's very thick, so then they give you the most of the color too.
So you just need a little bit, is what you're trying to tell me. Be careful.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that color. This is amazing.
And the same kind of technique. We're just working on the crease, and we're just working right on the edges of the color. And we're gonna follow with one more color, but I want Lindsay to apply some of it too.
That is awesome. That's really cool.
Okay, so we start with this.
Okay.
So
Like
make
nervous.
sure. No, you know what? And it's okay because I used them first time too, so I was nervous too.
Okay, so this one you started just right on the outside.
Yeah,
Right?
but not on the black part of the pencil because we still need a little depth out there.
Okay.
So we're
just
gonna
in
use very dark shadows on that part.
Okay, this is hard. It's like right side here. What's the best, like what's the best angle to go in on this?
You were
Here?
right before
Okay.
that. So
Oh, here?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry. I gave you hard
Oh, you're good.
side.
I just want to make sure I'm not going. I think I already went too far up on this. I'm just
It's
dabbing it on, right?
Yep.
Kind of. Oh, it's so pretty.
It's so beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
And
You're right,
when-
it's so thick. Like it's just really.
yeah, when you're moving your head, it will be like just like different colors will be
Gosh,
changing.
I feel like I need to go to like a rave or something. Go to like electric forest. Okay, this is so cool. All right, so is that more or
You can add a little bit more.
okay?
Just kind of move that a little bit
Over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the purple would
We want the
glow
purple to be the
through
main.
the green. Yeah.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
but I'm not going all the way in.
No,
right?
no.
Okay.
Uh-huh. That's awesome.
All right.
Use different. I always use different brushes because I don't want to mix them. They already mixing when you apply them, when you press them on each other. So we always can keep that very clean and nice.
Okay, so this one you already put eyeshadow on it. Now I'm sort of going a little bit over
Actually, yeah. Let's add a little bit if you want to do it yourself.
here.
Just dip and then like press. But
oh, here.
no. You just so you make sure you have enough.
Okay.
But see,
The
when you dip
excess.
like this,
Yep.
you have a lot of shadows on the side, so all of them goes under your eye. So that's why it's very important to keep all of the powder
On
on one side.
Okay, so for this application now, am I going back over a little bit of the purple, or I can't remember how you
Yeah,
did that?
just so what you want to do, just mix them together like this.
Okay.
So you start on the purple, but then you start moving a little bit, out there.
Okay. But I leave a little purple open.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
I love them. I mean, just like
It is
It just
really.
makes me so happy.
It makes
Those
me happy.
colors.
I mean, this is like I've never like I don't work obviously because I don't wear a ton of makeup, but I definitely never do anything fun like this makeup wise. And I see people posting that I get it now. It's beautiful. I mean, it's an art form, one, but it's just so fun. The colors. Okay, I feel like do I go higher in or is that good?
Let me see. It's good. Only thing I would ask you, just when you look down, make sure you blend it a little bit more up here. Maybe with a different brush.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm blending it
Just like the line. Yeah.
here.
So it will be easier to marry this color with another color we're gonna use.
Okay.
It's the more like straight line you have there, the hardest it will be to blend together.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Okay, and now we pretty much can go with any type of color on the inside corner and any type of the outside. But the most beautiful, it's always when it's a little lighter inside and darker on the outside. So it's kind of like turn around your beautiful eye shape and just makes it a little more almondy too. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use like black eyeshadows on the outside corner. And since we already have some pencil there, it will look like very nice and intense. What I do, I just press that color on the eyelid again. And I'm blending with that nice and shimmery pigments we already have.
When did you first start getting interested in makeup and application and all that? Have you always sort of played around with it or?
Yes, I did, and I was always stealing makeup from my older sister. So, and she was so good with makeup, and she was doing some very fun stuff, and I was always trying to do that too on my friends with her makeup when
sure
she's not home. Yeah, and also it was like very old show. It was like a person who was working in a movie in a like theater and movies, and she was doing, you know, we had like 5 type of kind of makeup I don't know, brushes, 5 names of the eyeshadows. So that was all.
Yeah.
So she was doing all those amazing stuff with only very
Few things.
very limited kind of makeup, and she was showing that, and she was doing like a transformation on the people, and you were like, whoa. So right after that program we were doing some makeup with my sister, and she was like playing on me, and then I was stealing her stuff and playing on my friends. So that's how it started, and I was like, I don't know, 9 maybe.
Oh my
gosh,
that's awesome.
And that was keep going ever since. So
okay, now that I heard your story and that now I've totally lost train of thought of what I need to do. So I'm starting in the out here.
yeah, so make sure you turn around the brush. Yeah, if you that's how I do makeup on myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You get used to it.
I'm pulling
Pressing right on the pencil we applied before.
Okay. Right on the lid, and I'm pulling up or pressing,
but not moving, just like this.
Okay.
Very slowly. Never move anything.
And I'm going, oh gosh, I don't know. Do I go up or no? Just right on the lid.
Everywhere when we apply the pencil, and we
Oh,
blend it. So
Sorry, my language, Mom.
where the pencils start like going like to the blend, that's where your eyeshadow is supposed to blend to.
Okay.
Good. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done with this or keep going?
No. So what you need to do, just grab a little bit more of the black.
Okay.
And I'll show you. I'm not gonna do it, but I'll show you.
Okay.
So look down. You just have to kind of like press all over here.
Okay.
So all your outline shape will be like dark. I mean inline, you know, shape, not outline.
No. So nervous.
Good. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, keep going up or...
And now you have to turn the your hand,
Okay.
and just like blend a little bit the dark, like this. Like this.
Okay.
So before you're pressing, and now you just need to blend a little bit. But remember, only on the edges.
Okay. Oh gosh. Oh no, that went way up.
So what you can do, blend a little bit. Then you use clean brush to make sure. And you can always clean up a little bit more, with concealer later.
Okay. Concealer's our friend, I think, right? Okay.
Just a little bit. Okay.
I told everyone at work I was coming to do this, and they're like, "You cannot wash your face until you come to work tomorrow." Oh, it's gonna work, but I feel like I need to go do my grocery shopping after this, and I gotta.
Cool.
Probably should go, run around town.
That would be fun.
Okay, so what do you do? You're just cleaning up that side.
So I'm cleaning out with like lighter eyeshadows. I just want to prep like nice base out there, so it won't be too dark or too up, for the shape.
Okay.
Which is, we kind of going like disco thing, so we can go higher, but grocery shopping and all that give us a little frames.
Am I doing that on this side, or you already?
Yeah. Oh no, I didn't. Please do this color. And so every single person do this kind of mistake. What they do, like this.
That's what I just
and
did.
then you start applying, and it's all over. So very important when you apply, when you want those eyeshadow stays only on your eyelid, you just get a little bit of eyeshadows on one side, please. One side. You work with only one side on the lid. And if you have extra, just take away sides and then work on the area you need to. But when it's all over, it's such a thin little, kind of, I don't know, fibers there, right? So it will be everywhere, but not where you want it.
That's a good tip, because I am, the few times I apply makeup, even if it's just everyday shadow, I mean, she's already looking at me because I did that.
Like I'm watching her.
Yeah, oh, that's why I shouldn't put it on my finger. I do that, and that's
right under your eyebrow.
Under the eyebrow, I use this mirror. Okay.
The most important under the eyebrow, so it's clean and nice. Next step, just a little yellow, because who doesn't need some yellow?
Yellow's fun, yeah.
It's gonna be matte color, because when you want to apply something shimmery, you want to prep with matte color first, so it will be very bright.
Oh, so it's on the inside, got it.
Yeah. And could you please open your eyes and look down with your eyes open just for a second, just for me there. And I mixed that with green. And now the gold going right on the top. Okay.
So everyone can see that. Oh my goodness. Cool.
So we start with matte yellow.
So we are just on the inside top lid, or are we doing? I see you've got
a little, just a little bit on the bottom, because we're gonna do something fun on the bottom lid too. And what side do you use? Not that one that you have shadow on. Jesus.
Wait, that.
Yeah, because I saw
do
the
I need
yellow.
to do this, or is this okay?
This is good. That's yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good side. Because I can't see shadows now.
When I told her, it was like, this is not my thing. It just right in the corner.
More pressing.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. More?
No, it's good.
Okay.
It's perfect. I like
Bottom
it.
or no? It's good.
Just tiny bit. Tiny bit.
Okay.
Yeah, shimmery shadows, they're not as intense, especially yellow color. It's like very subtle. So that's why I want to prep with matte color first.
And I'm just going right over top, right?
Yeah. And blend with that green.
Okay.
And then we add a little bit green again to make sure it's intense still.
And do I do bottom again?
Yeah, tiny bit. Yeah.
Like,
I love it.
I think I gotta go home, put a leotard on, and do like a dance or something. So that's like a really weird thing to say, but like,
I mean,
like, it's like, maybe I'm having a flashback to being a kid and I was in dance, and that's when we got to do fun makeup. But okay, so now I'm going. This is green.
Yeah,
and we're going over the green
just
and blending.
add a little, yeah,
Just
kind of like get a little together with yellow. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh, it's so awesome.
So pretty. More. Look, go. No, it's perfect. I like it.
Did you hear that? Okay.
That's awesome. Oh, it's good. It's good.
Okay.
Okay. So for this kind of like very bright, I would like to use some black pencil on a waterline. So that would be fun.